We're at Fatty Crab trying this iconic seafood restaurant where we've got the fatty crab, prawns, wings, bread, rice, and a beer. So let's get cracking. Cheers. We ordered the crab. By the way, they're super helpful telling us how much we needed to order. And we ordered it with a normal spice level too, so I'm curious to see how spicy it's gonna be. This is gonna be a messy dish, but we're ready just to dig in, crack, get the sauce everywhere, and just have a really fun time. And what makes this unique is the sauce. And this is gonna get everywhere, mixed on all this, but I bet it's really good. It's thick, it's vinegary, and it's got a lot of little pieces of things in the sauce. So I wanna try the sauce first and see what we're getting ourselves into. Moment of truth. Wow. There's so much sourness and flavor in that sauce. I don't know if I've ever had anything like that. It's tangy, a little sweet, and the heat is very even. And we're set up with these little papers just to put the crabs on and start getting messy. Whoa. I want to get a dunk. Now we're going in for the claw with all this sticky, tangy stuff. I'm ready. This crab is so fatty. The sauce makes the crab even better. So the mallet just crushes these shells and they just break right off. And you could just pick through those and get these little pieces out. And that's what makes it so fun, is getting those nice pieces of crab ready for that sauce. It's a little slippery with the sauce too. You don't want to get dressed up when you come here. It's gonna splatter all over you, so be ready for it. But if you work through the shell, you can get these bigger pieces, because I could just dunk it right on this plate, get all the sauce, ready to eat it. And we got some fried rice with a little shrimp in there. You can see the egg, rice, all the fried rice ingredients. It's really charred and smoky, so I wasn't expecting that much flavor to come with this rice, but I bet it's gonna be perfect with that sauce. That sauce makes the crab fatty, the rice fatty, everything's fatty, but there's plenty of sauce to go around with everything. We've got these prawns, it's got some stuff on here to make the flavor better. I'm gonna take the head off this one, take the shell off, and start eating the prawns. You start with the head. It's a little drier, but there's still a lot of flavor around here. Now we're ready. This one's cooked perfectly, but it needs some sauce. It's a lot lighter than I would think it is, and the shell just comes right off. Maybe they just crispy fried it really quick, got a perfect texture. There's a lot of flavor in there, a little bit of garlic coming through, but it goes insanely perfect with that sauce. Now we got these crispy wings. Classic fry, a little salty, perfect oil, but now let's try the sauce. The sourness is what really makes this. We need some of these fatty, sour wings in the States. Honestly, you don't even need the wing sauce for this, because you can just roll the wings in the bowl and get these perfectly sauced with all that sour, fatty crab flavor, the pieces of garlic and onion, and just everything in here to make a perfect wing too. But there's so much of the sauce. It's really gonna go on everything that we ordered, and we're gonna get those last bits with the bread. You gotta be careful though, because the sauce makes it really slippery, and these are really sharp and pointy, and you don't want it to get you. But we've got a mallet, so we're gonna get it. When you just hit this thing, and then it just gives and crack. There we go. And you hear the taps all throughout the restaurant. And the big chunks are just so satisfying to pull out. But now that we've ate a bit, we're gonna see how this beer pairs with it. It's refreshing. And this is the aftermath. Completely sticky, completely messy. Most of the sauce is actually gone. Bernie and I cleared house on this one. This is one that you wanna come, eat, and then clear your evening so that you can rest afterwards. But I highly suggest coming to Fatty Crab. And I'll see you in the next video.